Hey everyone, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to make this really cool flicker. This is the one I taught in the live stream. And it is a good flying flicker too. Ooh. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Warning, it's pretty challenging at the end, so fold at your own risk. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. So let's begin with the white side up, and we're going to fold in half diagonally in both directions. Now this model isn't so difficult to fold, but the final closing part of it is really difficult. So if you're new to folding, I recommend trying something easier first. But if you're up for the challenge, then let's go for it. Okay, so fold in half in both directions. Okay. Okay, and now fold in half this way. Okay, unfold. And now we're going to fold this edge to the middle. And fold like this. Unfold, now rotate, and we're going to do that 3 more times. So take this edge and fold it to the diagonal. And again. Oh, by the way, this is actually my version of a very similar model that Jeremy Schaefer taught right here. I think Jeremy Schaefer's might be easier to fold than mine is, but they both look very similar. I recommend trying Jeremy Schaefer first before you try mine, because mine is not as easy. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now we're going to fold, like, keep one folded, and we're also going to take this and we're going to fold it up right on that crease. See, we're taking this layer and folding it up, and we're going to squash right here, and we're going to squash right at the point. And this edge should almost align with this edge. It might be just a hair. It might be just a hair above it, but that's okay. This square might not be an exact square, but that's alright. Alright, now we're going to fold on this crease. And we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to fold on that crease. And squash on the corner. Oh, and you can actually make the folder making align with that edge. Oh yeah, and also this raw edge should align with that crease under it, below it. Alright, now same thing, fold right on this crease. And then same thing, fold up on the existing crease and squash. Make sure you're squashing it right too. Okay. And this one, now this is where it gets kind of tricky, but I'll do my best to teach it to you. So we have to kind of unfold it to finish it off. Okay? And then, let's see. Alright, here we go. So just kind of finish it off right here. So fold like this and then fold on the crease and squash it. So yeah, this model is not that difficult to fold, it's just the final closure of it is really challenging. Okay. I'm probably going to say this is probably an intermediate model. Maybe low intermediate, I don't know. So yeah, so we're making these folds here, like this. I'll show you that again. So we did that one right here. Now again, let's make these existing folds. Okay, now here's where it gets tricky. Okay, so now what we're trying to do is we're gonna take this layer and we're gonna mount and fold it on that crease. And you want to shove it inside enough, like this. So we have it like that, and then now look in here and fold on that crease, that diagonal, like this. And we're folding on that crease too. This is a tricky model. And then fold on that crease. Oh, and also you want to make this flap go inside the model as you're doing this. There you go, just like that. Alright, phew, that was a tough step. I hope, if you guys were able to do that, well, congratulations. If you folded this model, make a demo of it. Okay, but this is what it looks like. So that was the most challenging step, but the rest of the steps are really easy now. And there's only 4 more, and they're super easy. All you have to do is we're going to take these 4 flaps here, and we're going to mount and fold them on the creases. So let's start with this one. Just mount and fold it inside. Like that. And increase it sharply on the desk. And then do that all the way around. And there it is. The octagonal donut flicker. And just crease it really sharply. Use the desk and just make the folds nice and sharp. And then give it a little bit of curvature too to make it fly a little bit better. It'll give it some lift when it flies. And there it is. And to flick it, I'm going to hold it right here and flick somewhere right here. Alright, well, this was a really challenging model, so I hope you guys had some luck folding it. If you didn't get that final closure part, just try it again, and hopefully you'll get it. That's the most challenging part. But if you had some luck folding this, well, congratulations. I'd like to see demo videos of it. Okay, let's see how this sucker flies. Alright, now I'm going to show you how it flies. So I'm just going to hold it right here. I'm going to flick right here. It's a pretty good flicker. Do it a couple more times. Ooh. Alright, one more time. Oh yeah. Alright, well, hope you guys were able to fold that flicker. It's pretty challenging at the end, but if you didn't fold it, just give it another try, and hopefully you'll get it successfully. But yeah, it's a pretty good flicker. And hope you guys like it. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.